Hey guys, Jack here. It's time for another puzzle box. This one I'm actually kind of proud of because it combines two things together. A puzzle box and a picture and a sliding puzzle. You know, like those little sliding puzzles where you slide on things? Well, that's what the top is. So you can see this one slightly moves. Nothing else. So how do you open this up? Well, what does this do? It does that. Something under there? Should probably get it out. When we pull this pops down, and so now we have the space to move this. Now we've got a sliding puzzle. So what we have to find out. Look over here, there's something red, and these two have different things. Maybe we need to do something with these. Now, this isn't professional, so sometimes they get stuck like this. So sometimes I just like, it's hard to figure out what's wrong with them. There we go. I'll try and figure this one out. The issue here. There's the problem. There we go. Much better. Okay, I think we're nearly there. Aha, we got it. Now this whole red thing has been revealed. And now let's try and push this. Oh, aha! We got our prize. God. And now, although this is puzzle box, it's also doubles as a Picross, means you can solve this if you want to. Let's do that real quick. Okay, after like 10 minutes of doing this, I'm not really good at this thing. I think oh, yep, I got it. Look at that. See? Two puzzles in one. And prize. So, let's shuffle this back up. And it's good. Now let's flip this over, then push this back in. Okay. This one. Here we go. And oh, it worked. There we go. Well, I can't move. And there you have it. Another lovely puzzle box, which I'm honestly pretty proud of. So I probably won't, like the others, I won't have the time to do a little tutorial, but you can try to figure this stuff out if you want. Actually, here is the style I use for my pieces, just in case you want to make your own. There you go. Thank you guys for watching, and yeah, see ya.